In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the relevance of coding education is not just a trend, but a necessity shaping the future workforce. Imagine a world where every individual has the ability to create, innovate, and solve complex problems with code. It's not science fiction, it's becoming our reality. Let us explore the trends in coding education that are crucial for equipping tomorrow's workforce with the tools they need to thrive. To start, let's consider the shift from traditional to contemporary learning environments. Gone are the days when coding was reserved only for computer science majors in universities. Today, coding is being integrated in various forms from primary school curricula to adult education programs. This transformation is driven by the recognition that computational thinking is as fundamental as literacy and numeracy. Coding is the new literacy. By teaching students to code early on, we're not just preparing them for careers in tech, but for a future where digital fluency is key. As we delve deeper, we notice the rise of gamified learning platforms. Codecademy, Scratch, and Tinker are just a few examples that have revolutionized how coding is taught and learned. Gamification hooks learners with game-like experiences that promote active engagement and sustained interest. It's a powerful trend that also enables customized learning. Each learner can progress at their own pace, tackling challenges that match their skill level while maintaining motivation. Through rewards, challenges, and instant feedback, learners gain confidence, effectively demystifying the complexities of coding. Another significant trend is the increasing emphasis on problem-based and project-based learning approaches. This educational strategy bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Students often find themselves developing real-world solutions, bringing their code to life by working on projects that tackle real-world issues. For instance, students might create an app to address local community problems, learning not just coding but also teamwork, critical thinking, and project management along the way. Moreover, coding education is becoming more inclusive and diverse. Initiatives like Girls Who Code and Black Girls Code are empowering underrepresented groups by creating a more inclusive coding community. Such organizations not only teach coding, but also provide mentorship and build networks that amplify the voices and accomplishments of minorities in tech. This diversification ensures a broader range of ideas and innovations, which is vital for the enrichment of the tech industry and our societies at large. Pausing to consider the broader implications, let's talk about industry education partnerships. Companies are increasingly collaborating with educational institutions to ensure curricula remain relevant to the evolving demands of the tech sector. These partnerships often result in internships, apprenticeships, and mentorship opportunities, giving students practical experience and a foothold in the industry. Tech giants like Google and Microsoft are already paving the way by supporting coding bootcamps and offering training modules that are open to the public. Next, we see coding intertwined with advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. In the coming years, understanding AI will be as crucial as coding itself. Education systems are beginning to incorporate AI literacy, preparing students to work alongside intelligent systems. By building a foundation in both coding and AI, learners today are being equipped to tackle the complexities of tomorrow's workforce, enhancing innovation and productivity across all sectors. And let's not forget the influence of remote learning technologies, which have surged in importance, especially under the strain of recent global events. With platforms like Zoom, Google Classroom, and others, access to high-quality coding education has never been more widespread. This digital shift ensures that geographic location is no longer a barrier to acquiring essential coding skills. In conclusion, the future workforce demands a paradigm shift in educational focus, emphasizing coding and computational thinking as central tenets. As we've explored, the integration of coding into mainstream education, gamification, inclusive practices, and powerful industry partnerships are shaping how we prepare individuals to thrive in a tech-centric world. By embracing these trends, we're not just teaching people how to code, we're empowering them to innovate, solve critical problems, and ultimately change the world. As educators, employers, and learners work together to navigate this transformative landscape, one thing remains clear: Coding education is not merely a trend. It is an urgent imperative for today, defining the trajectory of tomorrow's workforce.